You know, Sharky was weird before because I had a beer, then I had to go pee. Then I had a beer, then I had to go pee. Then I had a beer, then I had to go pee. Then I had just one glass of wine, and I didn't have to pee.
Well, yeah, no, it makes sense because you just had one glass of wine.
Oh, yeah, because that glass was definitely smaller than the beer.
Absolutely.
So that was strange. I don't know. But because all good things end up in your basement, we're in the garage. Or vice versa. Anyways,
Pick one. Here. And you didn't, so.
Yes. We're here. Sharkley wanted to see the old Whirlpool run. Now, I used to use this like every week.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Back in the day when Jay's Bar and Millennials found free booze, and then everybody moved away and said, oh, I'm important now. I have children. Oops. Oh, wait, I should get married now. Hi, Shad. Anyways, this has been filling for like a year. What's in here now?
Looks like some glasses, the usual stuff.
There's silverware.
Usual J stuff.
Entire bar of glasses and things and stuff. Look at all that. All bar glasses, including tab glasses. I haven't run this dishwasher in well over a fucking year. There's even like cat fur in it and shit.
Good, so a dishwasher cleaning cycle.
Yeah, good. It could actually clean the dishes while it's at it. So anyway, if you want, yeah, we could light this fucker off. I mean, it's only the 4th of your dishwasher. So, or wait, maybe it's not. Anyway, yeah, let's light their fucker off.
Alrighty. Do we have to put any detergent in or no?
Yeah, we'll put in some detergent. There's
Okay.
some detergent in the green thing.
Let's turn this on, of course.
Yes, because without that there is no Wawa, and without no Wawa, there's no Wawash.
Well, unless if it's high efficiency, then it doesn't need anything.
Oh, of course not.
Yeah.
No, it's air.
Yeah, so we'll get the dishwasher.
Yes,
cocaine.
the Target Up and Up.
And
That's probably an old package, but it still works.
that's good, dude. Hit me up. That's right.
Yeah.
You want to put it in both?
Yeah, you could put it in both.
Right. Hope it's not too clumpy. There we go.
It shouldn't be.
There we go. Okay.
I mean, the house is climate controlled.
Alrighty.
That's fine. There you go. Good. Close that fucker up.
Hey, do you want to keep it on air dry or?
No, you can put it on the regular dry. I don't remember why it's on air dry. Maybe it was pressed by accident.
Yeah, maybe.
So there's reset options, and it's on heavy wash.
Mm-hmm. Like always.
Yep.
All right.
And go ahead and light her off. Let's see if it still works without leaking. Well, it's taking water. There's no air in the line. The pump is running. And just taking water.
Yep.
Ooh.
It's like growling sound is awesome.
Yes. I forgot how much I like this thing.
Oh, did I turn it too far?
I think you did.
Did I? Okay.
Squeeze the handle and reset.
Yeah, a little bit of stuff in there.
Yeah. Go and reset. Yeah, don't click it all the way closed yet.
Okay. There we go. Okay. You notice, like I managed to get the water first before the motor.
Yes.
That's kind of cool.
That I have actually done that where it didn't have enough water for the first cycle. Yeah. So I have this. You develop a touch with it.
Yeah.
Where you kind of get just to the right click, and you know when it's there. So the pump is growling, but not quite firing yet.
Yeah.
And getting very close.
Is that not really catching pressure?
She's it's moving in there.
Yeah.
You can hear it.
Oh, it's not too sudsy, is it?
Shouldn't be. We can check.
Yep. I wonder maybe because we stopped it, maybe it kind of broke the air cavitation or something.
Let's see when it got some more water in it. No, it's definitely washing it.
It is,
You can
yeah.
hear it now. But yeah, still taking water because, you know. Okay, now the float is getting in.
Going, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you can open it now and check.
Yeah. Oh, that is pretty sudsy.
It is a little.
Yeah,
It's not too bad.
Yeah, but maybe like next cycle we'll probably.
I think it will clear out. And I can get my whole bar back. That'd be nice. This has I kind of call this like the Captain Kangaroo sound. I don't know why.
Yeah, I can kind of see what.
I don't know what the correlation is, but I always kind of called it that. The sound that it's making, the kakung, kakung, like that is kind of like Captain Kangaroo. I don't know, but it just does that. And my parents' old Hobart dishwasher did the same thing many moons ago, and it's still in service today, so there's something to be said about that. Oh yeah, she's definitely washing away, no problem at all. Hasn't been used easily in over a year.
Yeah, you think so?
And yeah, oh yeah, definitely. It just fired right the fuck up, like what was taking you so long.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Maybe she's a little sudsy. Maybe she's got more of a kangaroo captain instead of a Captain Kangaroo, but you know, she's working on it. Start her right up. And I mean, listen to how loud this is.
I can't even hear you right now. It's too loud.
Well, I think the suds are actually quieting it down some, but not for nothing. This is in a plywood frame that I built along with the old alarm dick years ago. There is no sound deadening blanket over the thing at all. This is straight the fuck in, no nothing, just straight the fuck in the wooden cabinet, and that's it. This is loud. Do I need a dishwasher that is minus 20 decibels? I don't think so. I think that actually damages my hearing.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Yeah, I mean, it's minus 20.
It puts vacuum pressure on your ears.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Oh, good, something else is happening. Let's see if it'll drain now, because this is the first drain since a year ago.
Yep.
Yeah, she's there.
Definitely.
You can definitely hear it. Oh, yeah.
Make sure it pumps now. Maybe
It's pumping.
You
can hear it.
No, I mean the sump.
Oh, it will. Yeah, I just ran laundry the other day, just yesterday. Let's see. Oh, is that getting warm?
Is it? Let's see. Yep, it is.
Okay. Yeah, so it's pumping. I don't know if it'll have enough in the bucket to actually pump the bucket.
It sounds like it's pretty low, actually.
It does. Yeah. We'll see. If not, definitely on the next
I think so.
ribbons. Yeah, probably not just enough. Oh, that was nice.
That was nice, yeah. And like when there's no load on the motor, it's like it's so silent.
Yeah, listen.
Admittedly, the pot scrubber's louder.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. But then again, I do have the bottom panel,
That's true.
so that does help a bit.
Yeah.
You know,
And it's also
not
inside a
tremendously.
cabinet.
Yeah, that is true also. But yes, definitely peeing. Sump is fine. just fine. It definitely would have to fill and drain again before the sump bucket will pump, but that's fine. Should pump, or rather refill sometime.
No,
I don't know.
It's high efficiency. That's it. Hold on.
Oh yeah, probably at this point. Here we go. Hey, there's no waiting around.
No.
I mean, it was absurd I had to wait those 3 seconds for it to actually take water again.
Yeah, right.
And then what? Wait, what? It ran the water for 5 seconds before starting the pump? Blasphemy. Yeah, it's getting the air out and starting to pump around and wash all the dishes.
Now it's sounding more normal.
Yes. Yeah, so sitting a year and change, no, just perfectly fine. Just, yeah, turn me on. I don't know what took you so long. Fine. No problem at all. My part.
Okay, now it sounds more normal. The water isn't as sudsy. But even as such, I mean, it's too loud, Jay. I don't know what you're saying. Sorry.
What was that? I can't hear you. I have an ear infection. I need to go to the dictor and finger it out.
I have nothing to say to that.
Maybe he can give me some penicillin. No?
Pretty funny.
Yeah, I thought so. That's a quack anyway.
Just like those 2 quacks in the pool earlier.
Yeah, I know. I know. Somebody said it quacked them up. Yeah.
Oh, very funny.
Very funny.
Yeah, but now, like, if this was a modern one, it would still be trying to figure out what to do.
Oh, yeah, without a doubt. Of course, the fan force speak twerping right now. Are you going to install a ceiling fan in the dishwasher? Wait.
I mean, it sort of has a fan, just it spins and shoots out water. The spray arms.
Yeah, it's kind of like a sprinkler. I mean, I always liked sprinklers as such.
Yeah, right.
Because they sort of did have that movement, but like a fan just goes round and round and round. At least with a sprinkler, the water, yes, I understand the spray can go round and round and round, but you can watch a particular drop of water and it will take a different trajectory every time.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
It's just simple physics, people. I mean, for fuck's sake.
Most people don't even know physics.
I know, that's the whole point.
Speaking of physics,
especially those who fail algebra. I mean, shit. You know, right there.
Yeah, I mean, and dishwasher's like, nope, no, I'm not going to fail that.
Nope.
So
failing algebra, and then you fail physics.
So it's taking all those failures now and just throwing them out the drain hose.
Yeah, exactly. In fact, we might get pumpage this time.
Hey, let's see. You know what I noticed? Even when even when your pump goes to drain, the spray arms still shoot out a little bit.
Yes.
It's interesting.
Yeah, that's because the pump, how do I explain this? The water takes the path of least resistance.
Least resistance, yeah, in this case would be the drain hose.
Yeah.
So, the majority of it goes out that way. Oh, that sounded nice. That is one thing I like about the pot scrubber. Oh, there it goes.
There you go.
Just made it.
Yep.
That is one thing I like about the pot scrubber is that when the drain valve switches, like the spray arms do just about nothing.
Yeah.
They just stop completely, and I think that's awesome. So maybe what we'll do is let this finish the drain, do another fill, and once it finishes filling, we'll probably call it a video there.
Yeah, sounds good. I always wanted to put a little extension in the
because
sump bucket.
you said you don't like hearing the water go in.
I don't like hearing the water pee in.
Oh, I always like that sound. Kind of like the drain hose with the washers. Like
Yes.
I like hearing the water go down. Just an extra sound.
You like hearing that? You like hearing the gurgle? It's just not my thing. I don't know. Like I said, I get really tired of hearing, 46 Mexicans taking a piss at the same time. There's only so much Corona that the that the sewer line is going to handle at a time.
I know, right?
You know, so that's what I'm saying. I mean, it's good in a way, but you know,
The motor slowed down a lot slower that time too, because of less suds.
the thing that does suck is that this timer motor they've stopped making. So
They did?
No,
Oh,
yeah,
jeez.
it's out of production. So if I needed one,
I think thing just
you know,
opened. I think.
could be. If I needed one, it would have to be new old stock, and it's going to be expensive.
Maybe we should try finding one now, just in case.
Tried finding one 6 years ago, but whatever.
Yeah.
But you know what happens? I mean, when old machines like this die and parts aren't available, you just keep using it on other cycles,
Right.
you know, and just make believe that it never happened.
Although I mean, timer motors, I don't think are that common to fail.
They can and do.
They can absolutely. They certainly can absolutely. But I just think I just don't think it happens that often.
No, I mean, there's also, you know, I could rig up my own control panel, turn water on and off when I want.
Yeah, that's very true.
Turn the motor on to spray the dishes or reverse.
Yeah, exactly.
Pump out, or I could, you know, and just, you know, you can manually run it if you had to.
Yeah, probably.
You could. Or I can get my little relay board and have the computer control it and have it do everything that I was planning on doing with the old GE back in the day, but never did because the motor, or rather the transmission locked up.
Yeah.
We don't know anything about that at all.
Oh no, it's totally foreign territory to me.
Definitely. What did you say?
I said totally foreign territory to me.
Foreign. I was going to say planetary to you.
That
That would have been funny.
I see what you did there.
Yeah, I know. If I stretch my dick out on the keyboard, it would go from A to Z. I see what you did there.
Oh, I get it. I get it. Alrighty, so I guess we can call it a video there. Dishwasher's just running like it should. Washing dishes, actually washing dishes, you know. Yeah.
Do you think we can actually call it a video?
Oh, I know that stupid hashtag shorts.
Oh, right. Hashtag Long Johns.
Yeah.
We'll call it Long Johns.
I'm just gonna say this right now. If channels keep posting those videos again and again, I'm just gonna unsubscribe from them because that's just ridiculous.
The shorts are dumb.
Yeah, they're
There's
so
other
dumb.
platforms for that.
Yeah. It's called TikTok, or the way I like to call it TikToxic.
TikToxic is good.
Yeah.
TikTok I like. You get Tick and Tack or $500, you know, you win this prize package.
It's a fabulous new car.
That didn't come till a little bit later in the 80s.
Yeah, I know, but hey, I just felt like saying it anyway because that show was just awesome.
But it's a fabulous old car.
These days, yeah. Alrighty, so I guess we'll call it here.
Yeah, it's gonna do it.
So yeah, dishwasher's doing great, washing everything beautifully, and actually taking care of stuff.
Absolutely. So anyway, make sure you hit like.
Make sure you hit subscribe.
And take care.
We'll see you next time.
Damn right we will. Take care. Bye-bye. So, I didn't give you your line again. Fuck.
Blooper.